outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
For a long time I've owned this mechanical alarm clock which belonged to my dad during his childhood, and although it's not expensive and nothing really valuable, it still is a very reliable machine, and like any mechanical clock, the clockwork itself is actually very nice to look at. Unfortunately, it is hidden by this white plastic cover. In my opinion, it is more than a coincidence that I own this piece of acrylic, which is a perfect fit for this part. So in this video, we're going to machine it to suit this part and work as a display back.
Where's the big blue diamond ring? Little Joe from Chicago never wants for anything. He handles plenty money and he dresses up like a king. Little Joe from Chicago never spent a day in school. Little Joe from Chicago never learned a grammar rule. How he handles money makes you know he's nobody's fool.
So I tried to be smart and flame polish the part. As you can see, all that did was make these holes oval, and it didn't really smooth out the surface, so I went at it and wet sanded it and used some fine metal polish, and as you can see, that's very transparent. So let's mount this thing onto the alarm clock. Not bad at all. And about the oval holes, they're going to get covered up by these tightening handles anyway, so I could care less really.